So, yep. No, I absolutely. I mean, I 100% agree with. I mean, we've talked for 2 years about this shit, right? Like, there's a reason why I go run, 4 miles every day and go do 200 push-ups when it's, dude. By the time I get out on the on the concrete, man, it's like 36, 37 degrees Celsius, man. It's fucking hot, man. And like, I get to my first leg and I'm covered in sweat, and it's like, this takes a lot out of me, right? But I don't have a choice. I have to go do it, right? So even if I have a really good day trading, or a mediocre day or a bad day, the second I'm done with you guys in our meeting, I'm on the road. I lace them up and I get out there, right? Because I don't have a choice. It's just, this is what has to be done to, yeah, this is what has to be done to maintain what I've built, right? So, if I want to make and stay consistent with everything, then I have to do this. It's not just like, oh, it's really hot out, I'm going to take the day off. No, absolutely not, right? Because that lazy voice comes in. I'm trying to run away from that guy. So. Mm. Yeah. Mm. Yep. What? What? What time frame are you running on? You're running 10 directional closes. Do you let it run from the open? And what? Okay, good. And then do you have certain areas that you? We'll talk about it at the meeting. We'll go through settings and stuff like that. Okay. Let's talk about sizing then real quick before we kick going here. You know my rule about sizing, right? So like, when do you put on exercise? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Basically, get a raise, right? To get a raise, you have to have good performance. So for me, it's a monthly review, right? I don't put size on for 8+ setups. No, I stay the same the entire fucking month, right? The only time I deserve a raise is at the end of the day, where I pull my stats from Trade Force there and say, okay, where am I sitting? How did I trade? If I traded and we're all had a nice jump there in the balances, cool, right? I'll give myself a raise, right? But raises and size have to be earned, brother, right? And I know it's tempting just to go for it and put on extra contract and stuff, but like, why, right? If we're not hitting consistency yet, what is extra size just going to do? You're just going to take bigger losses. Yeah, right. So it's like, we'll talk about entries and these levels and everything a little bit more in the meeting if you want. We kind of talk a little bit more in depth about it, but yeah, that's a strict rule for me, man. I don't add size unless I deserve it, right? So the performance has to be there. If the performance isn't there, well, guess what? We got another month. We got to slug it out, right? It's like, it's slow and consistent, man. Good trading is really, really boring, right? It should be boring, right? All these people on YouTube just give a really, really false expectation, or a false, idea of what it really is. You know what I'm saying? So it is what it is. But the exciting part about trading, the cool part about boring trading, is when you do get consistency. And consistency is, from day one, I've always told you guys, consistency over everything, right? Day in, day out, consistency. And the cool part is that when things start clicking, you realize how easy it is, and then like days just kind of compound, right? But we'll talk about the bot. We'll talk about how you have it set up, and we'll look at um, trades, right? Because it's important. Remember, for me, like I talk about context. This is why I built the context engine for it, right? You got to stay on top of it during the day and have an idea of what the fuck is going on within our system of levels, right? Right. So like this is why I built the context engine to help you guys use it. Be like, oh, we traded that level, we held it. That was part of the daily plan. Let me turn the let me make sure I raise the floor and make sure the algo is running in a bear regime, right? So we don't look for shorts and it just looks for the longs back up to this level type of shit. So it is important to be aware of that, right? And maybe that's the missing piece. I don't know, but we can dig into that a little bit more in our meeting today. So, anyways, let's get into it. Wow, there's only me and you here. It's crazy. Well, hang on one sec. Let's just re let's just review what's going on. So what talk about said 7-Eleven pretty much said last night. 7-Eleven surprised me to see us. It's a perfect context market and call it. Same with the ETFs here. Stay above 74 every week. So I levels the market works on system, same level. So today there's no change to the plan, right? So better if we could trade into our some month yesterday here and sellers run chance for listeners. Same with the sellers show up here. This is to get this has to get over 61. See what happens. See if they're in case we get in the 7-Eleven to prove. So market agrees just about now. On the 2 on the ETFs, right? 6 minutes here. Eat these levels. So we're gonna see what the tape looks like. That makes sense? So that's closed. See it's up. So that mid C for it. So as I'm saying it, this will be the first, literally the top tick sold up. See what happens here. Cool. Just gonna go get up my coffee here, and I'll be right back. All right. All right, folks, here we go. Minute and a half. Here we go. Minute and a half to go. And pretty weak here in the ink. All right, let's rock and roll, man. See what the market wants to give us here. Open week, gonna encourage everybody. So suckers. We're open. Let's see if we take. So tag. So we can sell the shorts here. Retail. Tag it. It's like hitting our 15 here. Tag, tag, tag. Slam it. Come down. 5-minute close here. So far, the levels are see if we got here over. See if the catches one here. Everybody, business over. Typical 50 shorts. Yes, it is right at the start of our reversals on this thing catches a lick. Past 52. 50. Oh, yeah. Seven here. It's 13. Leg. Yeah, baby. See if it can we're right at the bottom. Five-minute gets it's always dicey taking trades on the ink. 30 minutes search for 15,000 level. It's an end support rate. Back level like 650, 613. It's way here. All there before. That was the level I gave you last night before. It's a low. 'As you can see the open the cash session 13 62 7 711 tough level. As soon as you sells, you could sell here off 613 initially. It's here 61. Always never sell weakness. Always 613 exactly here. See how 515. That trade's in the books. Now we'll see with 15. Five-minute long setup sitting right. 5-minute bar of the auction. Scary. 66 points. Let's see what happens. For the two levels, perfect. Let's see if we volume good bit support down into our 550. Up here. Sweep it. An R is basically printed. There it is. It's looking good here, man. Held up really holding path here. CES 61. If we can. 10-minute here all to close. Let's see what they. Yes, and completely in. All right, let's see what happens. Here to go for the close. Throwing everything they got here. Level, man. It's below need to be. And come down to like 60. Really don't want to lose. See how they're selling the crap out of it here? Wow. 11.4. Hit 11 point. Look at this volume. Holy moly. 12,500. Algos are like held. Tough close though. It's a close. They'll try to hammer this. Slammed. Or 5. Held the level there. Excited. Second one's turn to 466. We'll give it a chance here to see what it wants to do. Looking for some weak lows in the tape. Yes, just put one in. Sell here. Spot the same here. Already see it on the. See if we just absorb them. It's a short fight. Scoop them up. See if we comfortable at 5. See if this. See. Take the ball. Get into it. Straight. This level will So more to the deal. The Asian swept the funny because see a little bit of a decent 60. See us wick. Still pretty heavy tape. Sell side. Watch the close. It'll be a tough close. Really don't like him. Or we're wick. See right. Yes, man. There's nothing to sell here so far. Hold up. Oh, we test the lows. Does this suffice? There we go. Stops. Just maybe. Selling the low. 50. See if he this is already feels there. See shorts here. So let me same pulls. Yeah, ES is a slingshot. See, 10 minutes to go with the close. Been 4. Hold us. Mm-hmm. Perfect move. Get to 90. Got 66 here again. Just 51 and a quarter here on the. There we go. Now we're going to see if it holds. Yep. This thing just continues to get sellers. Good here. Yep. Firm up here. Maybe in the 369 we tag. Cover it. See what happens here into the. See how this. Pressure here. They're selling for very low slammers here. Follow this action down. Say with 41. Yes, a lot of low slammers. $20. It's going into 32 here. 2 here. This thing just annihilated. See if we pull. Here's how this candle closes up. Fast reversal level. To here at 70. Start watching. I'd like to see us pull up here. See some sort of a life here. 70. Selling this drill ins already. See if we get any signs of life. Tag 3. Shoot 350. All right, let's start watching here, guys. Mm-hmm. 6 minutes to go in the close. Let's see if there's any response in here. Yes, it's trying to get to 2 here. See if we can get. This thing is just getting. So shorts are right here at 70 here on the end. It's fall. It's just nonstop sell. It's an open. We'll get into 320 most likely. See if we hold. See what happens. I have to see something here. Close of the 30 or right into this 30. See bid. Willing to go long down here. See if we. I think we're. Now I'll start watching. Start watching here. Still come lower here. We take 32, 71. So we'll just close up. Here we go. It's left to see if there's a tab response. It's all selling. Sell. See if the ES here can get 74 to 30. See some life here. 5 minutes left to go. We'll see if there's to the close. 69 maybe. You never know. So far it's all selling. We'll just let the 30. I like to see a pull up. I like to see something on this level. Otherwise, we're on pace here for 81.25. That would be nasty. But that would be a massive bull level for us to trade here. Probably see some pretty strong response. Now you're going to see shorts here following this down at like 9 here on the. But we will chase weakness. See how our trade up. See how the session. Minutes to go. See what happens. See if we can pull up into 70. Gotta get rid of some of these low slamming shorts. I don't think it'll come until next. Might even go low. You never know. Watch the last minute, 30 seconds here. To see what happens. Might be one more little push, you know what I mean? Go ES back into the offer here into 38. We'll see what it can do. We'll see if they just slam it down. See if it pulls on. Almost back to 70 here on the ink. About 3. See if there's 70. Get above 370. You can get a lot of people chasing this thing short here. See it on the tape. As soon as you get to 70 here. Same with over 41 here. So we can pull back above. Backfill. Recovering, but we'll see. They're reloading here. 55. See that? So, minute to go. Let's see how they close at 30. Slam down here. See if it's period. Who knows? Aggressive here. Got an aggressive offer. It's 60, 56 to 70 here. You rate of 30. So we got to get above 41 here on the 70 here. That may be something. Backfill at least, right? 15. That's the target. Up. We go. Seconds to go. Pretty brutal close here. Probably try to push it down here. Start of this 30. See how that is. But I tell you, the close right on. Try to push down here under or the overshoot here. See if there's any sell here. Go. Let's see if we can get 70. Watch this whole area. As soon as you hit 60 here, 56 to 70. 70, what? See if there's 70. It's 19. 19. Oh. Bottom of the pipe. 60. See if we can climb back here to 19. See if the ES here can get slam down. Here. See if we can get 18 here. There's 41. Yes. Can we bid here? Oh. Trying to get over it. See him on the tape there. Right. So there's no bid. That's where their line in the sand is here on the. It's thin, so it can easily rally if we're here. See how the shorts hold up here, right at our level. See if they can sell weakness here at our 70. And again, or if the here. Same with no changes here. Gonna have to see a nice strong buyback through or 18 here. You got a lot of low position shorts here. Same with 41 here. A lot of low position shorts here. See if we can back up through this here or not. 85. Okay, we need to push. We need to go here. They'll fight this here all the way to 400. 90. There's the open print on the ES here for a little bit more supply there, right into around 45, 46 here on the ES. We'll see. Here. It's thin, man. It can go. Good bidding here on the ES. Good delta at least. 498 here, kicking in 8. See if we can get it open. There'll be resistance here. Still fight it. Right there. See? 90. Not out of the woods yet. Hammer this down here. See if we hold. So pretty obvious positioning, right? Where they want to protect. It's pretty obvious here on the tape. We can see it here. Let's see if these levels hold here or not, or if we want to explore lower here. 2 here. We need a close over 69 here and a bid on the EU. We need a close over. See how this first 5 and 10 minute go. 5's not going to do 69. See how it's 5. have to come in and bid it hard. It's 5. Go, another attempt. Speak before it's closed. It's the last minute. See if we can get a push here through 70. We'll see how the close is 5. Selling this as soon as you hit 70. Bulls are gonna have to show something here. 70 sold. Sold. 41 sold. All right, here we go. Seconds to go for close. Hold. Shoot and 5-minute close. Screen, it held 320, but again, 70. Past 70, it's got to go. Shorts here through. So it's obviously their stops are over. It's so obvious. See if they keep selling the lows here into 70. Short setup works. I'm not taking this short here. Still could work, but so zones, we're down 20. It's reversal level. What's the benefit here to trade and see what 70. So again, 70 through 90. This 20 points is going to be tough here. Start push through here. Stop her. You can do it. Just gotta see lift the same with the E's here, right? This offers back. Okay. See if they can get this 10 minutes here. Over 41 here, yes, and 70 here. As soon as you hit 70, look at this offer, man. 7,100 contract. Huge. But there's a lot of stops here now, so this thing actually does lift the shorts. Deal. 3 minutes to go here in the close. Almost through balance here already. Heavy, heavy, heavy. See, lots of time left on this candle. Let's see if they can get the close here over 70 here. 41. Really has to hit the bid. Same with the I'm repeating myself here. See, that's here. Super. All they got to do is this thing pass. It's a matter of can they do it. Shot here. Everyone's just going to keep selling though. Like third, 4, 10. You'll know 4. Really try to reload. Or decision time here. We'll see what happens. See if we can get over. Decision time. It might just tap 419 here and just drop. Just give the bulls the benefit. Let's give them a chance to trade and see what they do. Go. 12. Does it go? Reload it here as soon as 20 hits. Sell, 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 sell. But let's push here on the ES. Good bit. It's got to come in here. 20 here. Sorry. Go. And stall here. This chance here for the shorts kind of hold this low. Right at the level. Sell. 600 gone. Sell. 48. Sell. We're in 10-minute close here coming. Seconds. Strong bar. Any. Stop at 66 if we get. Oof. Straight down and then straight in. Straight up off it. Here we go. We got to close above 419. We'll see if something can. So this really has to bid. Right? Closed right on 48 here. Seriously. No guarantees here. Right? It really has to find a higher bid here. Then from the up move, which is the part here. So they got to find an upper bid. See if 419 holds these pullbacks, perhaps set up a long higher. Shorts are coming. It's rated. Expected. See who wins. Close right on 40 as well. It's here, so auction's pretty much on these levels. See if we type of team here, then target is to rotate off here if we hold it. See if we can eventually hold this level. Let's see. Let's see if some bids step up here. See if this 10-minute. Ryan. Seller share rate. There. There'll be some stops here. We can eventually get up there or not. Sellers are low and hard here. Sell City, man. Selling it. Let's see. Let's give the bulls the benefit here. Now that we traded 320, we're back overnight. See if they kind of want to hold this level here. Battling 50 here. So chart traders here. Fully expect them to sell for. They are. They're selling 50. See if a higher bid or not. Sellers are selling into this move. See, it's not your time for that. Bringing it up just to sell it. Let's land here. Gotta find a bid, man. Gotta find a higher bid. That's too bad. Let's hoping here. Look for a little setup on the line. Probably come down 70. Low did it. See. See here come. See that whole team here. Swick there. Off the overshoot. 100. selling. It's not much of a bid. Right into supply here. Turn the corner. Did pass fourth. 7,000. Oh, there we go. There we go. Macaroni. See the that's their turn it too. There you go. See the bidding kick in there at 30. What'd I say? 30. And look at the delta, 904 plus delta there. Someone listened to me. They knew exactly where they had to bid it. There you go. Sorry if I'm talking a lot. Chat here is following along here. I've kept it pretty safe. I think chance for 15. That's literally the ball. Talked about 31.5 on the that's right. Fast reversal level, right? Bounce. See if we can. Now all those sellers here. Look at the tape here. Thank you. 8,068 contracts sold at 19,000. What? Algos are going. Let's battle here. Setup here. Closing above the level here, but might come all the way back. Look at that beautiful. That's a hard long to take. There's no long setup there. Throw it right to 3. Hitter. Oh. Let's just see what happens here. See if we trade 70%. Not going to be this candle because it's here left. Keeping an eye on ETs here as well. Still a lot of heavy shorts here though. Not a big fan of it. Still selling into. I come down, test 320 here again. Surprise me. Oh my god. Come on. Come on. What are we doing? There we go. Digging in 69. Let's see how this trades. I don't like these big down here. It's all selling right. Negative 5.90, 5.70. I don't like having the long out there. There's no long setup here. Said boom, right back to 3. All right, let's see. Let's see. There's a 10-minute long setup here. Tough one to 100. It's 100 into the level. Up a little. I'm not taking it. Let this candle close. Sometimes you got to close. Bot wants it, obviously. Yep. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, and sometimes that's the wrong decision. I personally don't like longs or shorts when we're drilling in. So if we're going parabolic down into my limit right here, let's see if it hits. See this. So we'd be filtering. So it's all selling into the level. A lot of times, if the algo has the limit there, I'll take it off. I'll let it trade. If I like it, then I'll put the. But it's my personal thing where I do not like. If I'm selling on the ES, buying 15-point dump camp, the full body bar. Really, see what I mean? Almost get stopped out here. If you're gonna take that, and the algo's got it on, pull it down, just pull the order down to a stop out. That's it. Right. Close, close. Absolutely. I want to see it close. So we're gonna close. Yeah, 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 yeah. Now we wouldn't have gotten stopped out there. We'd still be in this trade. Is it the right decision? But maybe it works, and we just open here and we just go right. And that's the wrong decision to stay out. But for me, this is when I do override and be like, just this situation, I'll just wait. Right? We're coming in a little bit too heavy. Let's just let it trade, and we'll make an observation. Because we could drop down here and go one more leg here down into like 71 and a half here too, right? But I don't want to buy something that's telling me we're drilling into my order, right? I really don't. Because I'd rather just let it trade, make some observations. See, now we get a little bit better tape there, right? A little bit of a weak low there into like 313. There you go. There you go. There's see how we let it trade, and then if you want it after. Yeah. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, great example. There we go. 2R. There you go. Bang. Bang. There you go. Now this thing, now let's see if we can rally up to. Good chance this could hold here as support. Like it. Beautiful. Good session. Now we're on a good. Now we got some really good stuff on shorts down here. Side of it. I'm using the context engine right now. I'd be like no more shorts until 550, at least 418. I would tell the out. No shorts here until trade 550. Just maybe. Go. It's at 4. It's here at 4. Set up as. Lean on 320 here. Still going to be a fight. Tape underneath. So now coming into the 30 close here. We're coming into Ivy close. All this information happened during. Let's lean on. Ride hard here. 7 and we're hey, I like that YouTube. Nobody does it better. I'm telling you. Not in chat. If you're not in the chat, listen. Nobody calls it better. Go. First leg, first. Yes, here. A half to 60. Target, we get 61. Good. Bounce close up here. We got 5 minutes left. Oh, and it's up to the bulls here. Acceptance 74. So far, these rotations are going. See, as happens, it stops. Soaked all. As soon as we hit sold, double zoom. Right at the all the way back down. And stuff to go. Well, it's up to you. Sometimes time and price don't line here, but you guys know me. Last 5 minutes of the third. Say just back with you guys. Just gonna sign off. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Fantastic session. Sees it. Watching. I do. If you want to learn more, section in chat, you can come and learn basics of ordering, how I read. Lots of stuff I don't stream the public, but a whole lot more. Anyways, links in the description. Come in there, I'll DM you, say what's up. Yeah, whole free section there. Drop in, say what's up. Thanks, guys. Have a great week. Trade safe.